Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. Today we're outside in the garden doing some fencing. Okay, just so I mentioned, outside doing some fencing. Just to confirm, I don't mean fencing like with swords. I mean some actual garden fencing, like a fence installation. So head outside, show you which fence, which part we're doing. We've taken some conifers down, which I'll show some before and after. But yeah, let me go and show you the fencing that we're doing outside and kind of the plan of attack. Okay, so this is the area we're doing here. You got this old wall where the conifers were, I just showed on the footage. So the idea is to put some fence posts all the way up. I'm going to hang them on the wall with some brackets on the wall, and then push some more screws, some anchor bolts through the wood into the wall. So first off, I need to kind of measure because get things level, because the wall itself is not straight; it leans out towards the road. So yes, it's going to take a little bit of leveling up and some packing out behind the post to get things level. So I'll show some footage now of getting things going. And first things first, we're going to get the posts installed. Okay, these are the brackets that are going to sit at the bottom. So they're going to sit on the wall at the bottom. The post is going to sit into that, and then I can fix that to the wall. I'm going to put some washers behind it, just where I need to level it out. It just gives me a really good solid base to build from, and I can still bolt through the post into the wall above it. So these are going to go across the wall. I can fix them first and attach them onto the wall, put the post in, and then put a second thunderbolt through the wood into the wall. Hopefully that'll be strong enough. Second post in, going to trim the post now at the bottom and get 2 posts installed. Okay, trimmed a few mil off the edge using the router, so we're going to go put it in one of the posts now. Hopefully that fits. Okay, so that's the that part of the fence all done and dusted now. Obviously, we've only done the part at the moment where the conifers were, and that kind of side, that part where the conifers were chopped down. The plan is to continue the same fence all the way down. We've got the existing fence, but with a different rail system, but we will continue that same fence all the way down. I've not included it in this video because it's probably going to take me a couple of months. But yeah, I just wanted to show that kind of conifers coming down and the build process for that new bit of fencing. So it's the first time, and I'll talk through it in the video best I could, but it's the first time I've used those type of brackets, those starter brackets. I wasn't really sure what anything else to do. I couldn't really dig down into the ground there, and there were nothing to put some kind of mounting plates into. So I thought the best thing to do, get them starting brackets on the wall, and I put the 2 bolts through. They're solid, really solid. The fence isn't too high. It's only a single skin, so it's not got too much weight on it. So I think they should be fine. There was a couple of reviews I read online that kind of maybe suggested not to use them. But I think if I was using them without the 2 bolts into the wall, it might be a problem. But I think it should be fine. Time will tell, obviously. They're probably stronger and more sturdy than the ones I've done into the ground further down the garden. But yeah, I think they went well. Just a shout out to where I get my timber from. I don't think I mentioned it earlier in the video, but I get all of our timber from James Chambers in Halifax. It's a timber merchant to do timber and fencing. So yeah, I've got it all there. The one thing, and you might have spotted this when I was building it, I got the slightly different colour palings and rails. That wasn't intentional. I ordered them online, and when I picked them up, they were a different colour. It was just a miss sight by me, really. But the intention anyway is to stain everything, so they'll all go the same colour eventually anyway, so it wasn't a problem. I think I went for the rails when I were ordering them because of the size. They weren't too thick. I think they had some others that were a bit bigger. But yeah, I'll put a link down to James Chambers. Obviously, if you don't live in Halifax in UK, probably no good for you or surrounding area anyway. But I'll put a link into James Chambers' website below in the description. Okay, so that's it for this video now. Hopefully it's been informative. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. If you've got any questions about what I've done, any comments about what I've done wrong or what I've done right, or anything I've missed in the video, if I'm not explaining anything properly, or if you just got general questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to all questions. If you want to follow the channel along, we do other DIY projects, other cooking videos, other outdoor projects, indoor projects. We've got some stuff coming up with some wood panelling for our indoor build. But yeah, if you want to follow the journey along, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully, see you in the next one.